Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fix overheating issues. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and find General. Next, go to Background App Refresh and disable it for certain apps. Next, lower brightness of your smartphone. Remove heavy cases while charging. And in the end, make sure to update firmware of your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.